Welcome to Reading is Best channel. In this video, I am going to talk about ego defense mechanism of psychodynamic perspective. Ego defense mechanisms are designed to avoid unacceptable id impulses that are opposite to person's superego standards or that would cause problems within the real world. Defense mechanisms help the individual cope with anxiety and prevent the ego from being overwhelmed by the demand and morality of id and superego. Generally, these mechanisms have two characteristics in common. First one is they either deny or distort reality, and second one is they operate on an unconscious level. Our first defense mechanism is repression. Repression involves forgetting emotionally painful or threatening memory. Second defense mechanism is denial. In contrast to repression, denial is usually expressed with more force and repeat their distorted perception forcefully. In this, person closes his or her eyes to the existence of a threatening aspect of reality. Third one is reaction formation. Reaction formation include actively expressing the opposite impulse when confronted with a threatening impulse. For example, if it's too dangerous to directly express aggression towards someone, the individual may behave in an excessively loving way. Fourth defense mechanism is projection. Projection occurs when person puts their unacceptable thoughts, feelings or impulses outward onto another person. A person may accuse someone else of being selfish while denying his or her own selfishness. These are some of the defense mechanisms as per psychodynamic perspective. Since this is the part 1 of the video ego defense mechanism, I will mention remaining defense mechanism in my next video. And finally, if you like this video, click the like button, and if you have any kind of queries or suggestion, you can comment in the box below, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel.